Guys, the red color. Ayan, ito yung aking ipipit ngayon, guys. Ayan yung ating black bikinis. Ayan, red color. Let's go. Ayan, guys. So, ito na yung kanyang red color, guys. Red bikini. Ang ganda niya. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys. Yung kanyang likuran. Ayan, pack na pack, guys. Diba? Ayan. So, magsusuot ako ng blazer, guys. Ayan, one of my favorite color. Ayan. So guys, ito na yung ating red bikini. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack yan siya guys. Ayan yung kanyang likuran. Ayan. O diba ang ganda guys? Ayan. One of my favorite color. Ayan yung ating red color guys. O diba? Pack na pack siya guys. Ayan. Ayan, ang sunod natin yung susukat guys. Yung ating black color. I really love it. Ayan siya guys. Pack na pack yan. Ating likuran. Pack. Yan siya guys. So, ang ganda. Ayan. So, ito naman guys. Yung ating black color. Ayan po. And look guys. The black color. I really love it. Ayan. Pack na pack siya guys. Ang ganda niya pang beach. Pang aura-aura. Ayan o. Ang ganda ng ating black bikini. Ayan. Kaya likuran guys. Ayan. Na diba? Pack na pack. I really love it. Ayan. Ready naman ako sa aking beach, guys. Pagbi-beach. Ayan, o. Pack na pack siya. Pack, 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 pack. Ayan, ang ganda niya, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ano nang bat niya, guys? Yung red or black. So, ang isusunod naman natin, guys, yung another color. Peach color naman, guys. Ayan, ang ganda niya. Ang ganda na yung pang rampa, guys. Look. I really love it guys. Pack na naman yung aking in-order guys. So ito naman yung ating isusugat guys. The peach color. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya guys. No? Ayan, so let's go. Ito naman. And the last color guys. I really love it. Ayan, a peach color guys. Ayan, the color of my blazer. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. Ganda niya pang rampa. Ayan yung kanyang likuran. Ayan, pack na pack siya guys. I really love it. Pack na pack. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. I'm ready to rampa na naman guys. Ayan. So, ayan yung ating mga 3 colors guys. Ayan. I love the red color guys. Ayan. Diba? Pack na pack siya guys. I really love this. Ayan guys, yung ating 3 color. The red, black, and the peach color. Ayan, ang ganda niya. So, that is my, guys. Ayan, bikinis for today. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys. Ang ganda niya. Ayan. Yay! Yay! Ayan po. So, that's it for today, guys. Ayan yung ating bikini. Napakaganda. Yeah, likod niya.